करण, आप अपने मास्टर टच के लिए जाने जाते हैं, तो इस फिल्म में भी कोई आपने इनपुट दिए 2 के लिए?
आपने मेरी फिल्में देखी है, आपको लगता है कि कोई इनपुट मैंने दिया होगा इस फिल्म में? मेरी कोई जगह नहीं ना औकात है इस फिल्म में इनपुट देने लायक, बस नाम देते हैं, बहुत बड़ी बात है।
Karan, does the presenter not share the royalty?
Sorry?
Does the presenter not share the royalty?
We share love, ma'am. We don't share anything else.
Is there a figure you can give us for the final budget of the film? And how much did you make with the first one? How much do you expect to make with the second?
They don't know yet.
No, I'm sure they've got a figure.
Lovely Bharti, you become a chartered accountant now. You want all
Married to one.
Well done. I don't have those figures. You'll have to ask the producers.
The first part we didn't make any money. That much I can tell you.
How's that possible?
Because
Karan made money.
I'm a presenter. Presenters always make money. The ones who really put their hard work, blood, sweat, and tears into it, sometimes they don't land up making money. But you know, the equity the film has raised is beyond even the monetary worth. But I know, I would understand why you want a technical, but I think you're getting nothing from this panel.
But Karan, does the presenter not
finished? He hasn't finished. He's going to tell me.
Yeah.
yeah, the second one we will make a lot of money, which will compensate for what we didn't make in the first part.
Yay.
What's the budget?
Yay.
What's the budget?
Budget of both the parts together is in the range of 400 plus crores, around 450 crores.
Thank you.
ప్రభాస్ గారు, నువ్వు కట్టప్పని చంపావు.
కట్టప్ప ప్రభాస్ని చంపాడండి.
Elaborated English. ప్రభాస్ గారు.
What is the question?
నువ్వు కట్టప్పని చంపావు.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
you
what
reverse
you-
the whole story. You are asking him that
You
why
said-
did you kill Kattappa?
He did not.
you reverse the whole thing, so he will not be able to answer that.
Yeah, because he didn't kill Kattappa. Why did you kill Kattappa? Let's cause a new kind of confusion now. If there was scope for any left.
ये सवाल था कि जो हिंदी फिल्मों के डायरेक्टर्स हैं या फिल्म मेकर्स हैं, वो इस स्केल की फिल्म में कंसेप्चुअलाइज कर सकते हैं क्या?
जी जरूर कर सकते हैं, उन्होंने किया नहीं है, लेकिन कर सकते तो पोटेंशियल सबके पास है, लेकिन अभी तक किया नहीं है, हुआ नहीं है. आई थिंक डेफिनेटली बाहुबली ने बहुत सारे ऐसे आई वुड से आई थिंक अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को दिए हैं एंड दिखाया है कि हम ये कर सकते हैं और बड़े पर्दे पे ये कमाल दिखा सकते हैं. एंड आई होप कि इस सीरीज़ के बाद लोग और भी ज़्यादा इंस्पायर हो जाए. मैं कह सकता हूँ अपने प्रोडक्शन के बारे में मैं बात कर सकता हूँ. बहुत ही ऐसे जवान निर्देशक हैं मेरी कंपनी में जो एक्चुअली बहुत इंस्पायर हुए हैं बाहुबली से. एक्चुअली हर कोई जो नया है और नौजवान है और जिसकी नई आइडियाज़ और एनर्जीज़ हैं, वो सब बहुत इंस्पायर हुए हैं. एंड आई होप दैट दिस ट्रांसलेट्स इनटू मच मोर सिनेमा ऑन दिस मैग्निफिसेंट स्केल. इसके बाद
अक्षय कुमार और रजनीकांत की जो आने वाली फिल्म है, दे हैव सोल्ड द सैटेलाइट राइट्स फॉर 110 crores. सो डू यू थिंक दैट यू नो स्टार पावर मैटर?
हाँ
क्या हुआ, समझ में नहीं आया?
Sorry. Yes. Of course it matters. Where are you, my dear?
Yo.
Where? Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, of course star power matters. And I think that the coming together of two humongous stars from two different parts of the country coming together in a huge film will definitely make the satellite money exciting. And also it seems to be a humongous mainstream film. So of course stars matter. I mean, we should all know that by now. Living in the country we do.
Karan, towards your left.
Ladies, thank you.
Congratulations on turning a father. How are you feeling?
Thank you. I'm very well. Thank you. I'm doing very well, and the babies are doing really well. Thank you so much for asking. One
Dear
second.
Mr. Karan Johar, from Mr. Rajmouli and Team Bahubali, we have probably the most iconic piece from this film that we want to present to you.
Oh.
So please, this is the sword that Kattappa killed Bahubali with.
Oh! Okay, so now I know what my kids are going to inherit. Beyond my equity as a filmmaker, it'll be this sword which will be worth a huge amount, I think, in years to come. This is amazing. Thank you so much.